This is DragonCraft, and today I will be making edible crystals, flower crystals. These are sunflower flower crystals and egg geodes. We are right now, we are done propping all of these flowers. You can see there's in these jars. These are roses and all types of flowers, some leaves, and we're going to see if these crystallize. Some might not. We never know. It's just an experiment. We have poured all of our mix all over the flowers, and now we're going to wait for them to crystallize, and they're in the shelf in my room. They're already starting to crystallize. It's really quickly crystallizing. It has been 2.5 months for these crystals to be this much done. Isn't that crazy? And it is December the 17th today, and we are going to be looking at our crystals. So we have them dyed. We don't know if they're actually going to turn out that color or if they're just going to be white. Let's start. These crystals are all colors. Like almost the same colors as their water was. The purple one, I was hoping would be a little bit bigger, like this.
Look how giant this yellow one is.
And that yellow one and orange one were very challenging. Their water looks exactly the same. They're crystals and they're edible, which is the cool thing about them. So I could just literally take this and then go, and then I would go all hyper crazy. These crystals are really hard, so if you make them, be prepared to smash them up into these. We are going to be putting water in these jars to make our super saturated solution. And we're going to make them very, very hot until they're boiling. And each of them are going to be a different color. I'm putting in enough chrome alum in here until no more will dissolve. So now we have our boiling water that even if you put your hand above it, it's hot. And we have our protective gears that we have to put on before we can put in the chrome alum to mix into this boiling hot water. First, put on your mask.
You can even feel it through the gloves. It's turning greener. It looks like all the chrome alum is gone. And I also think it's kind of weird how it first was green and now it's blue when it was supposed to be purple. Most of the eggs shells look like so far. We're going to drop them into our super saturated solution and then they would be good. And we can wait a few more days. And you want to make sure they're upwards. And make sure they fill with liquid. It's time for the clear alum. Grab your stirring spoon and stir, stir, stir. This is a super saturated solution because if you look at the bottom, see how there's like kind of snowy stuff? If you mix it and there's still all white in it for a really long time, that means, and it's not dissolving, you have a super saturated solution. If you want to know something, you can use food coloring to dye this outline. So just put some in here, put some food coloring in it, and you have your own food coloring to add them. So let's make the third one. So this is basically the same as this one, except you have to put in any color food coloring. This is going to be a red food coloring. First, you unscrew the lid. unpop the lid. Here's our red. I need that. Sure. Let's add some more. But look at the pattern at the bottom. How it's spreading out, going down. That's pretty cool.
So we put all the eggshells in. You already know how to put them in because we put in one in there. I like that the most. We have our 3 eggs. Well, actually, more than 3. There's about 6 eggs in these 3 jars. Well, 2 in each. So we are going to be making observations. Make your own observations and write them down if you want. But here's me doing my observations.
Which one do you want me to get out first, or try to get out first?
Let's do the brightest, clear. Then we'll do Dragon Baby's favorite, red.
Yeah, I like the Dragon Baby's red.
You are a Dragon Baby. Now we have our first, what? A red crystal.
Yeah, that red is
Kind of looks kind of blue on the inside. And then there's a red bottom that I can't see anymore, but you can see.
I can.
Ooh, the second one. It hardly has any crystals on it.
Alright, so now the red one?
Yep.
I like the red one the most.
Whoa, we have flaming hot eggshells next. There's black in the inside. For me, I can see all kinds of colors. Whoa, those are 2 flaming hot eggs. Ooh, the purple is the last and my favorite. What? That one's pure black. I can't even see it.
I can see the flaming red one. Do you like it?
And that one's the most hardest because look, there's crystals that if you look very closely at, they're purple.